Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Atisha Ramadhani. People usually call me Tisha. My student ID number is 20400124013 from PBIA. And now I will explain my answer to understanding syntax part 2. With the traditional approach, sentences are recognized as language products that are formed as a result of the relationship between words and phrases. The sentence contractions is analyzed by a form analyst called read-catalog sentence. An example is using a diagram containing a subject and a predicate. Then the subject is placed on a horizontal line and separated from the education by a vertical line that does not cross the center line. According to the structural approach, sentences are actually a combination of clause sequences and word groups. The order of clauses and word groups is also known as sentence patterns. For example, by conducting direct constituent analysis. In other words, direct constituent are sequential words that form one unit, from the smallest unit to the largest unit. The transformative generative approach is the operation of a system of rules to generate sentence. This approach is to determine what rules apply to sentence formation in a language and how those rules work together to form sentence in that language. Transformative generative linguistics emphasizes that sentence consists of two syntactic components, namely basic components and transformational components. As per my understanding, I agree with the traditional approach because in my opinion, sentence can indeed be formed from the combination of words and phrases, and use of sentence diagrams is also easier to understand. As far as I know, sentence structure is a series of orderly sequences used in making a sentence. According to transformative generative, sentence structure should be analyzed using a phrase structure, which is a set of rewriting rules to break down sentence into their basic structures, which phrase structure has three basic principles. But when asked whether this theory is useful for analyzing sentence structure, so it is important to note that there are no completely acceptable rules in phrase structure. However, to produce a deep structure, it is still important for us to know and show the parts of the phrase structure rules. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for watching.